Okay, so this is problem 7.21. It says Drosophila geneticist made a cross between females homozygous for three X-linked recessive mutations: Y yellow body, EC echinus eye shape, and W white eye color, and wild type males. They made the F1 females to triply mutant males and obtained the following results. So that's going to be your table here. It says, so determine the order of the three loci, Y, EC, and W, and estimate the distance between them on the linkage map of the X chromosome. So when you need to determine the order, you're going to look for the two most rare combinations. So that's going to be these bottom two here, the one that didn't produce any. And what I like to do is just basically look for the odd man out. So here you can see the W is the odd man out between the W and the YEC. So the odd man out, so W is going to be the middle loci. So that means you can rewrite the order as Y, W, E, C. Okay, so once you get this set, so you know that the F1 female was Y, W, E, C, plus, plus, plus. Okay, so then it asks you to determine, estimate the distance between them on the linkage map. So you're gonna have to rewrite these. So instead of up here, instead of instead of YECW, it's actually gonna be YWEC, since we now know the order. So the distance between Y and W is going to be between these two, these 8 and 7. And there's 1,000 total, so you can rewrite that as 8 plus 7 over 1,000. That's going to give you 1.5 centimorgans. So that's going to be right here, 1.5 between Y and W. And then, so just do the same thing between W and EC. So that's going to be right here. So that's going to be 18 and 23. So we can rewrite that. So 18 plus 23 over 1,000. That's going to give you 41 over 1,000. That's going to give you 4.1 centimorgans. Okay, so Y, W, E, C. So the distance between Y and W is going to be 1.5, and the distance between W and EC is going to be 4.1. So these problems kind of look more daunting than they actually are, but as long as you can figure out the order, figuring out the distances usually isn't too difficult. So that's problem 7.21.